We got power tools and we got pumpkins, and we're carving them after this. In this video, we're going to use some power tools and we're going to carve some pumpkins. Makes it really simple and goes really quick. If you're new here, we post new tutorial videos every week. This is a little bit outside of our comfort zone, and normally we're working with wood, but we're going to try some of our tools on pumpkins this week. We do post new tutorial videos weekly, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now let's get into the video. So we got a few tools we're going to start with. We may need to grab more as we go, but I figured we'd probably need a jigsaw, maybe the oscillating tool, a drill with a couple of drill bits and a hole saw, cookie sheet to put all the guts and seeds on, and just in case we might need some heavy duty power, we got the Sawzall as well. So we're going to start by cutting the top off like you always would, and we're going to see if we can use the oscillating tool and see if that works. Voila! And next, we don't have any fancy power tools, but like always, we just gotta scoop the guts out. Alright, let's punch some eyes. Too fast. Good. While I'm working on this, I just wanted to remind you guys about our website and our other social media sites. You can find all of our projects categorized on adventuresathomellc.com. We'd also like to connect with you on Instagram and Facebook. We post there daily, and it's a great way to connect with us. And it's also a great way for you to share some of your project ideas with us. And if we choose to use one of your smaller projects and build it in our videos, we're going to try and do our best to send you that project for free. We can't wait to connect with you. see the line? Let's just try and trim that up. So there you have it. That was a really simple way to carve a pumpkin, and it made it go super fast. Now you can see we just did a simple face on the pumpkin, and I just wanted to prove the concept to make sure it worked before we tried to do anything more intricate. Now that we know how the tools cut, we can probably get a little bit more detailed with some of our work, and we might try that out with a couple more pumpkins in the future. But hopefully you saw how easy it can be and how much fun it can be to use power tools when carving a pumpkin. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and if you want to keep seeing content like this, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. That way you'll get notified when our next video posts. And until next video, I'm Kyle, helping you create your own adventure at home.